Hi, I'm Alex Fatzinger, and today we're going to be talking about the Livescrive Echo SmartPen. So the Echo SmartPen is a note-taking device that captures what you're writing down as well as what you're hearing as you're writing it down. So how does that work? So when it comes with the notebook paper and it comes with the pen, and what you're going to do is you're going to write notes like normal, and you're going to click record on the notebook paper, and it'll now record the audio with the notes that you are taking. So that's going to be really useful in our classrooms. So let's say the teacher is talking about marine biology, and specifically now they're talking about whales. So all the student has to do is write down whales, and then they can write down as much notes as they can put down. Maybe they get distracted, maybe they write down something incorrectly. This is going to be really helpful because all they have to do is when they're reviewing their notes, they're just going to click on whales, and then it'll go to the exact point of the lecture, and now they can hear exactly when the teacher is talking about whales. So who's that really going to be beneficial for? It's really going to help our students with attention disorders, ADHD, but it's really going to help students with writing difficulties, reading comprehension disorders. But in reality, it can really help anyone, especially like college students. I think we've all been in a situation where we've had a professor that talks really fast and it's hard to get down everything that they're saying. So I think it would be very beneficial for us because then we can just go back, listen to what they said and what they were trying to say. So it could really be beneficial for everyone, but the big problem is the price. So it comes out to $190 for the 8 gigabyte version. You can also get the 2 gigabyte version, but you really want to think about, is this practical? Can you use this as a special ed teacher? And it's really going to depend on two things. It's going to depend on, is the school going to pay for it? And then how are you going to use it in the classroom? So it's almost $200. So there's a chance your school is not going to want to pay for that. And then also, if they do pay for it, are you just going to let the students use it at school and then take it at home? Because like I said, this is a $200 pen, so there's a good chance that they lose it, break it, it gets stolen. So you have to make sure you have a good plan set in place. One thing that you could do is you could have them use it at school, and then what you can do is you can take out the USB, upload it to your computer, and then you can put it on Google Classroom, and the students can now view it at home and then use it when they're at school. I personally really like the pen, but there are a lot of downsides to it. Obviously, the student has to be they have to be literate with computers and like digitally literate, and then they have to be able to focus with having this kind of technology in front of them. But out of 10, I think I would give it a 8 out of 10, and I think it's a really good device. I think it might be universalized here. If the price goes down, it might be more common and you might see it really often. Thank you. That's all.